Bisaya word quiz! Are you ready? What is a Bisaya word for dog? A. Iro, B. Iring, C. Lobo. Iro, dog. What is a Bisaya word for duck? A. Uwak, B. Gansa, C. Pato. Pato, duck. What is the Bisaya word for sheep? A. Kanding, B. Carnero, C. Camello. Carnero, sheep. What is the Bisaya word for lion? A. Caballo, B. Tigre, C. Leon. Leon, lion. What is the Bisaya word for cow? A. Kabaw, B. Baka, C. Ilaga. Baka, cow. What is the Bisaya word for crocodile? A. Bitin, B. Butiki, C. Buaya. Buaya, crocodile. What is the Bisaya word for monkey? A. Conejo, B. Unggoy, C. Langgam. Unggoy, monkey. What is the Bisaya word for eagle? A. Agila, B. Kwaknit, C. Manok. Agila, eagle. What is the Bisaya word for frog? A. Ulahipon, B. Kuhol, C. Baki. Baki, frog. What is the Bisaya word for pig? A. Baboy, B. Oso, C. Lobo. Baboy, pig. How many correct answers did you get? Let's go through the answers one more time. Dog, iro. Duck, pato. Sheep, carnero. Lion, leon. Cow, baka. Crocodile, buaya. Monkey, unggoy. Eagle, agila. Frog, baki. Pig, baboy. Subscribe to Learning Bisaya for more.